How to get the reply option on Instagram 2023. Hi guys, so in this video, I'll teach you how to get the reply option on Instagram 2023. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. This is pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, the first thing you need to do is to head over to your Play Store, search for Instagram right here. So let's search for it, and in here you can see your Instagram. So what you need to do is, if you can see an update version, then you can just click on this update button right here in order to update your Instagram. After that, just long press Instagram, click on app info, and then from there just click on storage usage, and then click on clear data in order to clear the data and all of the cache of your Instagram. After that, head over to Instagram and try to check if this issue has been resolved. So just head over to your inbox, and in here just long press a message, and in there you can see already a reply option. You can also try swiping from left to right or right to left in order to see if you can reply to that message specifically. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to get the reply option on Instagram 2023. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.